Nobody's born confident, not the CEO closing million-dollar deals, not the athlete performing in front of thousands, not the person you follow online who seems to have it all together. Confidence is not a personality trait, it's a skill. And like every skill, you build it. And here's exactly how. The one thing I want you to understand before anything else, confidence is an output, not an input. Most people have it backwards. They wait to feel confident before they take action, but that's not how it works. You don't feel confident and then do the thing. You do the thing and then confidence follows. Think about it. You don't become confident at the gym by thinking about going to the gym. You become confident by showing up, lifting the weight, and watching yourself getting stronger over time. Same with business, same with sales, same with speaking on camera, same with anything. Action first, confidence second, every single time. So how do you build it practically? There are 3 ways. First, prepare obsessively in private. The most confident people in any room are almost always the most prepared. They don't walk in hoping for the best. They walk in knowing they have done the work. Want to feel confident in any job interview? Don't just show up. Study the company. Practice your answers out loud. Rehearsal until it feels natural. Want to feel confident selling your product or service? Learn sales. Study objection. Practice your pitch until you know it cold. Confidence in public is built in private. Every single time you prepare, you're making a deposit to your confidence account. So do it enough and you never walk into a room feeling small again. Second, do it badly before you do it well. I record myself every single day, not because I'm already good at it, but because that's how I'm getting good at it. When I started, I was uncomfortable, unnatural. I watched the recording back, found the things I didn't like it, changed them and recorded again. Nobody starts smooth. Nobody starts polished. The people who look confident on camera today look awkward on camera 2 years ago. They just didn't quit. Whatever skill you want to be confident in, start doing now. Badly, imperfectly, consistently. The confidence builds as the skill builds. You can't separate them. Third, stop faking it. Fake until you make it. It's one of the worst pieces of advice out there. People feel fakeness. I can feel in your body language, in the way you hesitated, in the energy you bring to a conversation. You cannot fake real confidence. And when people sense the performance, trust disappears. Build until you become it. Real confidence, the kind that makes people trust you, hire you, buy from you, follow you, only comes from genuine preparation and real reps. Don't perform confidence, earn it. So why this matters so much? Confidence is the multiplier on everything else you do. You can have the best skills in the room, but if you cannot communicate them with confidence, nobody will know. You can have the best product, but if you pitch it without conviction, nobody will buy. Confidence is what makes people trust you, and trust is what makes people hire you, follow you, buy from you, and give you opportunities. It affects your career, your business, your relationships, the way you show up in every room you walk into. This is not a soft skill. It's one of the highest value thing you can invest in. And unlikely most investments you can start building today with zero money and zero experience. So here's your action for today. Pick one area where you lack confidence right now, just one, and ask yourself, what's the preparation I have been avoiding? Then go do that thing. Badly if you have to, but just start. Confidence is not waiting for you on the other side of a perfect moment. It's waiting for you on the other side of action. So go and get done. And if you want more videos like this, videos that show you how to build a life where you don't need permission to live on your own terms, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I will be sharing more real stories, real strategies, and real steps to help you design a life that actually feels like yours. See you on the next video. Bye.